Hello, good morning friend. This is Surendra Panpalia, an international corporate trainer and founder of GKTCS Innovations Private Limited. I have almost 20 years experience in the corporate training and consultancy. I thought, why not to share my knowledge to all my learners who are new to the new technical skills like Python. Most of you know what is Python. But let me tell you, Python is one of the popular and most demanding skills across the globe. Now, why Python? Why we should learn Python? I will make the Python more easy for all of you. First of all, let us start with why the name Python? Why not? Is it a snake? So let me tell you, it's not a snake. What is Python name? Why the name Python? The first thing is the name Python came from one of the entertaining industry, that is Monty Python. Who invented this? The person who invented, he was actually studying in the engineering college. His name is Guido van Rossum. Now, why he invented this language? What was the reason behind it? Let me tell you the main reason why Guido van Rossum invented this language, so that you understand why Python we should learn. The main reason he invented, he found the many languages like C, C++, and Java, they are a little bit complex to understand for the IT developer or the freshers who are working or who are studying in the colleges. As a result, he thought, why not to make the language easy? And the Guido van Rossum was having expertise in the C and C++ language. But when he was trying to develop a game program, he found C language required lots of lines of code. As a result, what he thought, why not to create a language which allows you to develop the game in a very quick and easy manner. So this is the way the Python came into picture. Guido van Rossum wrote this code. He started his journey with writing the Python first. So lots of lines of code he wrote using the C and C++. So the base language for Python is the C language. Now let me tell you what is Python. Python is an interpreted, interactive, object-oriented scripting language. Now let me tell you what is interpreted means. Most of us know like there are two types of languages. One is compiler-based language and one is interpreter-based language. Now, what is interpreter-based means and what is compiler-based means? When you say compiler-based means something where your complete program you are executing by the compiler. Whereas when you say interpreted means there is a line-by-line execution. So now this is very important in the Python is where every line you type you can execute it. So it's very easy for newcomer to write the Python script. He just need to do what? He just need to say hello Python and the interpreter responds as a hello Python. And this is so easy to start with the Python now. How to install the Python? Python is freely available. You can download from the site python.org, or you can also download from the other distributor like Anaconda Python. My suggestion is, if you want to start the Python, visit the site python.org and download the latest version of Python. The latest version of Python which is available is Python 3.7. And it's very easy to download and is available for all the operating system. The main reason why you should learn Python is that it's something which is open source and freely available for everyone. And it's very easy to learn for any graduate or any IT professional having any basic language, like having knowledge about C or C++. Thank you very much for learning the first Python series. Will be